All right, this video is going on over number 12 from section 6.4 day 1. We want to simplify this product, and it'd be nice if they were both square roots, right? Because I could combine them into like root 25, but we have a square root and a fifth root, so we can't do that trick, right? It's not going to work for this particular question. So in general, on these questions, when you get stuck, you switch forms. So I'm going to write this as 5, and then the power is 1 and the root is 2. So I'm going to write it as 1/2. And then the other one, the other 5, the fraction exponent there would be tree roots go down. So root is 5, power lines go up, root is 1. All right, so now it's just a matter of remembering again, what do you do when the bases match? So basically the idea is you want to add the exponents, right? You're going to keep the base the same and add the exponents, right? Like x squared is x times x, and we're multiplying it by 1 more x. You have 3 x's, so you add the exponents. Okay, so basically our answer here is going to be keep the 5 and do 1/2 plus 1/5. Okay, and then to do that, you'll need a common denominator. So I'm going to multiply the first one by 5, and the second one by 2, so that we get 1/2 is 5/10, and 1/5 is 2/10. So that adds up to 7/10. So our answer is 5 to the 7/10. Okay, and based on my answer choices, it looks like I got to switch forms. So I'm going to do the roots on the bottom. So it's a 10th root and a power of 7. The power lines go up. So 10th root of 5 to the 7th. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.